Hello business people and welcome. In this video we're going to talk about how to start a business in 6 steps. Starting a business can be big and scary, you'll likely feel a little nervous and possibly overwhelmed. You've probably heard about so many businesses that failed and of the risks that come with it. And now you're wondering if you can make it work. Don't let these feelings stop you. There are substantial rewards to be gained from starting a business. By starting one, you get to be your own boss, potentially create jobs, and contribute to your local economy and community. But in order to achieve all that, you need to know how to start a business. With that said, let's dive right in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button. Step 1. Research and find the right business idea. No matter how intelligent or goal-driven you may be, you'll still need to make adequate market research to better understand your target audience. After a proper research, you then move on to finding a perfect business idea. To find the right business idea, you can ask yourself, what skills do you have? What consumer or business need is still left to be filled? What resources are at your disposal? Can you break into your preferred industry where there are already existing players? These questions should be just about enough to help you figure out the best business idea. Writing a business plan should be the first or second thing done when starting a new business. It helps business owners see the bigger picture, plan ahead, make important decisions, and improve the overall likelihood of success. Business plans are also important for attracting investors so they can determine if your business is on the right path and worth putting money into. Though it may sound tedious and time-consuming, business plans are critical to success. Number 3. Create a legal structure for your business. One of the most important choices you will make when forming your new business is which legal structure to choose from. Also called a business ownership structure. Creating a legal structure can be tricky. So we advise you consult a business attorney to help you create the right structure. Now, let's give you a rundown of the various business structures you can choose from. Number 1. Sole proprietorship. This is a business structure in which you alone own the company and are responsible for any liabilities associated with it. Number 2. Partnership. In this business structure, 2 or more individuals are owners. There are a few different small business partnership structures you can choose from, including a general partnership, a limited partnership, or a joint venture. Number 3. Corporation. This type of business structure is usually reserved for larger companies or those in particularly high liability industries looking for a little extra insulation. If you expect your business to eventually take on a lot of employees, it could be worth setting up a corporation now. Number 4. Limited liability company. This business structure offers the liability protections of a corporation, along with the flexibility and tax simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership that has grown significantly in popularity over recent years. Now that we've gone through the types of business structures, you can now carefully choose a structure that best fits your business. And if it's starting to seem too complicated for you, then consult a business attorney for individual advice. Step 4. Register your business. The next step on how to start a business is to register your business. This is no-brainer, as this stands for the identity of your business. This being said, here are some of the tasks you'll need to take care of to get your business legally established with the proper federal, state, and local authorities in your country. Number 1. Register your business name. Number 2. Get a tax identification number. And number 3. Register for state and local taxes. Step 5. Apply for licenses and permits. Ensure that your business is compliant with legal requirements, so get a business license. In most countries you must obtain your permit before you can start operating. In some communities, there's a generic business license for every type of business. Open a business bank account. Taking care of your business's finances is very crucial, and that is why you should open a business bank account. After all, your business bank account is going to be the place where you save all of your funds. Opening a business bank account is crucial to separating your personal and business finances, and it also helps to receive and to make payments for your business. After this is done, begin to run and promote your business. That's all for this video. But there are many more videos coming up. And I'd love to have you join me for the next one. If you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you click that subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified when the next one comes out. That's all for now, but we'll see you guys again next time. Until then, stay focused and have a great week.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more quality videos.